Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to convert your static image into dynamic videos in just a few simple steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, what you need to do is type Pixverse in the search bar and then simply press enter. Now click on the first link that appears. What you need to do is create an account or just simply continue with the Google account. Simply click here to upload your image. Now type your prompt, select the video duration. Now just click on create now. It will take some time to create your video, and as you can see our image is converted into video. Thank you for watching. If you think the video is helpful, then please leave a like and share the video. If you have any question regarding the video, then please leave a comment below.